Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO duste din jakali meeting rakhiena re-FM kula nishna urban local body ULB election June 26 set kugena thakya tepi absent kulobole atta affiliated tribal body sop laga presence ti jakali tourist lodge dimabute fesla kulo shekugena jonai dia ase meeting rakhilo apcheti ENPO president T Chapkyu Sangtam media logina interaction ti ENPO khan to re-FM kurlogina organization laga demand finalize na kura takti ENPO khan to February 23rd Chinmoho resolution opor khara kurgina Central State Election Code TP participate na kurbo kogena jonai dishem aro president clarify kuri thaka to ENPO manukhan toli ULB election boycott kuri democratic principle against kura nohoi holipi ENPO khan to absent kulobo kogena clarify kuri dia ase aro Eastern Nagaland manukhan Dimapur aro alag part of state settle kurgena thakya khan ki ENPO decision bra bounce na holipi iku restriction directive issue kuri dia nai aro ENPO resolution toli ENPO jurisdiction karne ase koi dia ase aro Frontier Nagaland Territory FNT Government of India aro ENPO machete ja thakya opoti president highlight kudia sabtu Government of India country draft prepare kurgena state government opor forward to disha aro itia state government accept kurlepi accept na kurlepi ituhe ase kogena jonai di shekili FNT proposal to Government of India khanra kurgena thakyan mite kudia ase Union Territory UT NSN I'm country jurisdiction under the night clubs pubs aro disco choli thakya immediate effect seize kulobole directed kuri dia ase Solomon Sumi Secretary of UT NSN I'm press release ti under H Mati Khan Iman Rachiti unusual manner te alag immortal activity sadi ha mota non local business logo kesh kani berai thakya pailoya ase kogina warning kuri dia ase aro itu statement ani thakya tu general public aro alag civil society organization khanbra district under ti late night club pubs aro disco kholigena morning tak choli thakya campaign dia sabti directed dia ase aro jurisdiction under drugs peddling involved kri thakya khan kepi UT office bra warning kri dia ase kile naga youth khan drugs users bishi hoa ase itu karni jurisdiction under banned substances or drugs pikai thakya defenders khan ki strict action rakhibo kogena NSN I'm UT official khan jonai disha aro UT official khan pi UT jurisdiction under ki laga kam te hulipi staff khan tu official council kugina kam krubole kodia ase aro na kogena kam kri thaka tamti untold incident look paile staff khan ke pi strict action rakhibo kogena warning kri disha aro UT of NSN I'm jurisdiction to is well undivided district cover up kri thaka jonai dia ase 13 of May ti Dastrom Mumbai FA kugina petrol pump 100 feet billboard Pangija Ishun Miti 14 John Mrija confirm kri dia ase sources pa thakya sabti billboard itu girja toli measures of 17,040 square feet lamba dangur inika kurgina limka book of record ti sabse dangur record kurgina thakya ko ase aro petrol pump opposite direction ti lagagena thakya hawa karni girja issue ti billboard Pangija laga loha khanbra petrol refilling kri thakya gari aro manukhan ke crash ku dishe ko ase hatsati murija eklan hogina 70 jon rescue kri dia macheti 43 jon ajitak hospital admit kurgena treatment rakhilo ase aro Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde hatsa hogina thakya site visit kurgena murija family members khan ki 5 lakh dibole assured kri digena jokhum pagina thakya khan ki free treatment rakhibole announce kur dishe ko ase Khobote Department of Telecommunication DOT Union Ministry of Communication ja kali citizen khan sobki advisory issue kri digena fake call mobile number ban kri dibole treatment kri thakya janigena misham shikol na uthabole warning kri dia ase fake callers khan ki kri ase koili call kurgena personal information khan sob kale kuloba aro itu logena cyber crime commit kri thakya DOT public sobki advisory issue kri dia ase itu karni WhatsApp call foreign origin number +92 inika call aha khan পিক নাকৰিবলৈ কৈ দিয়া আছে আৰু ইনষ্টেড 1930 হেল্পলাইন নাহলিপি www.cybercrime.gov.in খবৰ কৰিবলৈ জনাই দিয়া আছে